Now, I want you to pay attention to the things I will be teaching you now. As you are preparing for WAEC examination, let's look at for. Here are the things that will paint a picture for you of how this examination. Number one, WAEC is serious. WAEC is not a joke. This is not a joke. You probably will be writing this WAEC exams for the first time in your life. So you must have heard a lot of things about WAEC, how WAEC is this, how WAEC is that. You have registered for this exam, and the exam will be happening very soon. It is not a joke, no matter what you have heard. It is serious. WAEC is serious about the war against examination malpractice. As you prepare for this exam, both financially and in reading, don't have it in your head that it will just be easy. Don't have it in your head that your teacher will help you. Don't have it in your head that a miracle will happen. Yeah, a miracle may happen. Yeah, some assistance may come, but know that it is serious business. WAEC as a body is not smiling. So get these things serious in your head. Number two, some of the invigilators for this exam will not be smiling. Of course, not everybody is good. Most of them are coming, so the examiners are coming from WAEC. There will be external invigilators. So it is not a joke. Some of them will be harsh. Some will be greedy, of course. Some will not, but some will still want to get money, take advantage, do one or two things. Have this in the back of your mind as you prepare yourself mentally, in studies and financially. Third, many of the questions will be repeated questions. By the way, if you have not gotten the WAEC timetable, send me a message now and I will send you the WAEC timetable. Also, if you want me to send you PDF of the timetable, I will send it to you. If you want me to send you PDF of past questions, if you don't have past questions on any of the subjects, you want me to send you the PDF for you to start reading, you can send it to me and I will also share them with you. How do I send these things with you? Just subscribe to this YouTube channel by just subscribing. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and just write I have subscribed, then also invite your friends. Once you subscribe and tell me that you have subscribed, I will send you any of the materials you want. It could be the timetable, it could be the syllabus, that is the scheme of work where the questions will be coming from. It could also be the PDF version of the past questions. If you need them, just ask me for them and I will get them to you. So many of the questions will be repeated questions. That is why you should be serious with past questions. Read, study as many past questions as possible. Then some exam days will be fun, some will not be fun. There are some days you will enter exam hall and you will be just so happy. You wrote very well, maybe help come from above or something happened, you were just so happy you were able to write and finish. Some days will be like that. But there are some days also that you will feel like crying. There are some days you will feel like you have failed WAEC. It could happen on the first day, it could happen in the middle of the exam, it could happen on the day of maths, English, chemistry, physics, Islamic, religion, CRS. Any of the days could be fun, any of the days could be tough. Get this in your mind. If it is fun, don't relax. The next day may not be fun. Then if it is very, very tough, if it is frustrating, don't also get discouraged. The next day may be fun. So get that also in your head as you prepare. I wish you all the best in your exams. I wish you all the best of luck as you prepare. Remember, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I encourage you, go through our channel. You will see many videos we have done that will help you. That's why you need to subscribe. If you need to contact us, this is our school. If you need to contact me, this is the phone number. Just reach out and we will send all the materials to you. Subscribe now, reach out to me, and I will keep supporting and helping you. God bless you.